In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dual lightning effect in Adobe Photoshop. This effect can add dynamic energy to your images and is surprisingly easy to achieve with just a few steps. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to use the rectangular marquee tool to make a selection. Now keep in mind, there's no need to worry about being too precise here. The goal is to create a selection that generously includes the area where you wish to apply the dual lightning effect. Once your selection is ready, we're ready to move on to the fun part. Head over to the Layers panel and create a new solid color adjustment layer. With access to the entire color spectrum, you're free to choose any hue that you think will captivate your audience. For this tutorial, I'll choose red. Once you've settled on your color choice, click OK, and you'll see your chosen color fill the selection. Now comes a crucial step in making your colors blend cohesively. You'll want to change the blend mode of this layer to multiply. This blend mode ensures that your selected color integrates beautifully with the layers underneath, producing a harmonious effect. To soften the edges and enhance the realism of the effect, click on the Layer Mask thumbnail of your solid color adjustment layer. Here, adjust the feather value to about 80 pixels. This will blur the edges, giving a more authentic, wispy lightning effect rather than a hard, unnatural line. With that step behind us, it's time to add the second layer of color for our dual effect. Duplicate your solid color adjustment layer. You can easily do this by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Layer or simply dragging the layer to the New Layer button at the bottom of the panel. Once your duplicate layer is set up, click on its layer mask and press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. This little trick will invert the mask, allowing your new color to shine through in a different area than the first, creating that captivating dual effect that we're aiming for. Now let's add our second color. Double-click on the solid color thumbnail of your duplicated layer. This action will open the color picker, inviting you to select your second color. Don't hesitate to explore the palette and choose a tone that harmonizes beautifully with the first. Once you've made your choice, click OK. As we approach the finishing touches, navigate to the bottom right and click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon. From the menu that appears, select a new Levels Adjustment Layer. This is a fantastic tool for refining brightness and contrast, which is especially powerful in highlighting your lightning effect. Gently drag the white highlight slider to the left to enhance the brightness and contrast of your composition, making your lightning effect pop. And just like that, you've successfully crafted a dual lightning effect in Photoshop. Practice this process a few times, experiment with different color combinations, and in no time, you'll be adding electrifying energy to your designs effortlessly.